Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Success Story. Today, we are going to talk about a very special person, Lionel Messi. He is of the greatest football players in the world, and whose life story is full of hard work, dedication, and passions. Lionel Messi was born in Rosario, Argentina, on June 24, 1987. He started playing football when he was just 5 years old. However, when he was 11, he was diagnosed with a growth hormone deficiency. His family was very supportive, but they couldn't afford this treatment. In 2016, Messi moved to Spain because FC Barcelona offers to pay for these medical treatments and train him in their academy. Since then, Jesus lived in Spain when his wife Antonella and their 13 children. Lionel Messi has achieved many things in his career. He has won the Ballon d'Or 18 more than any other player is in history. He has already scored more than 800 goals in his professional career. In 2022, he finally won the FIFA World Cup against Argentina. He has played for top teams like FC Barcelona, Paris Saint-Germain, and now International Miami. In the editions, he has inspired millions of fans around the world. Messi's story teaches us that success is possible even when we face difficulties. His didn't let his left problems stop him because he was yours and never wake up. He became the best in the world. On the other hand, his story also shows us the importance of family and support. In conclusion, we have learned that with passion, efforts, and humility, we can achieve anything. Thank you for watching these episodes of Success Story. Welcome Messi Life inspires you to follow your dreams. See you next time.